All right, we are going to talk about the origins and insertions of the humerus and the scapula. We're going to be starting on the anterior aspect of the scapula, and beginning with the insertions, we are going to have the insertion for the pectoralis major at number 18. At number 11, we are going to have the insertion of the trapezius. At number 22, we are going to have the insertion of the serratus anterior. And with our origins, at number 4, we are going to have the origin for the subscapularis. At number 17, we are going to have the origin for the coracobrachialis. And at number 8, we are going to have the origin for the short head of the biceps brachii. And on the posterior aspect, starting with the origins, at number 23, we are going to have the origin for the deltoid muscle. At number 1, we are going to have the origin for the infraspinatus. And below it at number 2, we are going to have the origin for the teres major. And above it at number 3, we are going to have the origin for the teres minor. And over here at number 10, we are going to have the origin for the long head of the triceps brachii. And now with our insertions at number 21, we are going to have the insertion for the levator scapulae. At number 15, we are going to have the insertion. Starting at number 21, 21 is an insertion, as is number 15. Number 15 marks the insertion of the rhomboid minor. And at number 16, we are going to have the insertion of the rhomboid major. Whew. And now beginning with the anterior aspect of the humerus. At number 5, we are going to have the insertion. We're going to be beginning with the insertions. At number 5, we are going to have the insertion for the subscapularis. At number 7, we are going to have the insertion of the pectoralis major. At number 8, right beside it, we are going to have the insertion for the latissimus dorsi. At number 9, we are going to have the insertion for the teres major. And at number 6, we are going to have the insertion for the deltoid muscle. And now beginning with our origins, at number 4, we are going to have the origin for the brachialis muscle. Number 14, that is, in case I said 4 for some reason. And at 22, we are going to have the origin of the brachioradialis muscle. At number 19, we are going to have the origin of the extensor carpi radialis longus muscle. At number 18, we are going to have the origin of the common extensor tendon. And at number 21, we are going to have the origin of the common flexor tendon. And over here at number 23, we are going to have the origin of the pronator teres. And then on the posterior aspect, over here at number 3, we are going to have the insertion for the teres minor. And at number 13, we are going to have the insertion for the coracobrachialis. And then at 11, we are going to have the origin of the lateral head of the triceps brachii. And at number 12, we are going to have the origin of the medial head of the triceps brachii. And that is all.